everyone, welcome back. This is the last video of the year and today is going to be a New Year's Eve makeup look. So if you want to know how I made this one, then please keep on watching and subscribe for the next year. Honestly, it's gonna be good. So let's get started. I'm starting with the eyes, of course. First off, to prepare the lid for the masses of glitter, I'm going into this palette, which is Ultra Neutrals from Revolution. This is a palette I've been wanting to pen for years. And I'm going into these two shades, basically all over the lid and also in the crease. So I'm just mixing them the best that I can and putting it everywhere. And underneath the eyes as well. So this is the base for the eye look. And now, more to act like a glitter glue, I'm going into this liquid eyeshadow from Lovely. And only a tiny bit I'm gonna dot on both eyes and then just blend it with my finger. It's more of a pinky glitter, if you can tell. And now, while it's still tacky, I'm going into the star of the show, which is the Weibo liquid glitter, if you can tell. And I'm applying this all over the lid. Basically with a little applicator, because I want it to be concentrated. Look at that, how amazing is that? Probably a tiny bit in the inner corner. And now, acting as a fixing powder, basically, I'm gonna be using a shimmer. And that is from this Asian Market Find palette. And I'm gonna be using the silver shade. We all know what this is a dupe of, but I'm gonna be using the silver shade on the center of the lid, basically, just on my finger. And I feel like the inner corner should be popping a little bit more. So I'm putting in this white pencil from ColourPop and then something shiny on top. And on a pencil brush, I'm going into the silver shade and putting that in the inner corner. Okay, perfect. And now, to give the eye a little bit more of a shape, I'm going in with a liner, which is going to be a liner pencil. And then this is from Rimmel. This is the Scandalize, if you can tell, because I've been using this a lot. And this is 003 Brown. And I'm using this in the waterline and also at the lash line to give a little bit of an awake appearance to the eyes more. Just a little bit of definition. So this is the eyes, just finishing it off with mascara. And the lips are going to be beige. So I'm using this Line Loud from NYX. This is the shade called Global Citizen. And the color of the lips will be this L'Oreal Coloris Shine. I'm putting here the name and the number because it actually came off, so I would have to look this up. How gorgeous and shiny that is, look. Okay everyone, so this is my beige and glittery New Year's Eve look. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you will try it. And then until the next year. Bye bye. Happy New Year.